Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure Ibispaint X is updated and has camera access. This avoids permission errors. Once done, open the app and navigate to the image import area, gallery, or new canvas import. You tap the QR scanner option to activate the camera view inside the app. You do this because the built-in scanner reads data directly into canvas options or links, saving export steps. Make sure ambient light is good and align the code to the center frame for a quick, clean read. You place the QR code inside the on-screen frame and hold your device steady. The app typically reads the code within 1 to 2 seconds. Once the scanner recognizes the data, it shows options, open a link, import an image, or load brush/palette presets. You select the appropriate action and review preview details like image size, position, or layer target. Then you confirm so Ibispaint X places the content directly. If importing brushes or palettes, you may need to wait a few moments for installation. You finalize by transforming and positioning the imported asset, adjusting opacity or blending modes so it fits your composition. Make sure to save the project and export or back up any custom presets to cloud storage. This prevents accidental loss. If the scanner fails, try again. Clean the camera lens, increase ambient light, or recheck permissions in settings. You can also reboot the app or device. Often temporary camera locks or permission glitches are resolved that way.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.